Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to figure out how to add a YouTube video to IGTV, maybe it's your own YouTube clip or someone else's, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Keep in mind, though, that you can't directly upload a YouTube video to IGTV as your own content. But don't worry, therefore, there are workarounds. If it's your own YouTube video, the easiest way is to download the video file from YouTube Studio or your channel, then re-upload it directly to IGTV through the Instagram app. Just make sure the video meets Instagram specs. Vertical format is best, and under 60 minutes for most accounts. Now, if it's someone else's YouTube video, you can't re-upload it directly due to copyright rules. But what you can do is share the link in your Instagram bio or use the Add Yours sticker feature to talk about it in a reel or story. Also, keep in mind that even if a video is on YouTube, doesn't mean it's okay to share on your Instagram. Always respect copyright and creators' rights. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear things up for you, drop a comment below and let me know if you have any other upload questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple social media tips. See you next time.